Shakira.
Hi back.
You're leaving tomorrow?
Yeah.
Would you like to say a few words to the video?
No, just enjoy it while I can. Mixed Man's world famous tequila lime shrimp. About to go on the grill. Right here. Looking wonderful.
Megan is also doing a wonderful job.
As always.
Thanks for the ice cream sandwiches too.
You haven't even tried? You haven't had them yet.
Marcus, you're only allowed one because he's only 14.
Oh.